Assalamu alaikum. Have a nice day. I am Akmal Hussain, student of BSCS First Morning C. Today I am going to present my presentation. Topic is electronics. In this topic, we will see what is electronics, uses of electronics, electronic devices, and basic electronic components. Electronics. Electronics is the branch of science concerned with the design of circuits using transistors, microchips, and with the behavior and movement of electrons in a conductor, semiconductor, vacuum, or gas. Electronics is widely used in information processing, telecommunication, and signal processing. Electronic devices. Electronic devices use electric current to encode, analyze, transmit information. In addition to computers, they include mobile phones, TV remotes, and digital cameras, DVD and CD players. The ability of electronic devices to act as switches makes changes information processing possible. Resistor. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. In electronic circuit, resistors are used to reduce current flow, dividing voltage, adjust signal levels, bias active element, terminate transmission lines, among other uses. The SI unit of resistor is ohm. Capacitor. A capacitor is the device that stores electrical energy into an electrical field. It is a passive electrical component with two terminals. The effect of capacitor is known as capacitance. The SI unit is farad. Resistor. Resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. In electronic circuit, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels, divide voltage, bias active element, terminate transmission lines, among other uses. The SI unit is ohm. Capacitor. Capacitor is a device that stores electrical energy into an electrical field. It is a passive device with two terminals. The effect of capacitor is known as capacitance. The SI unit is farad. Transistor. Transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electrical signal and electrical power. It is composed of semiconductor material, usually with at least three terminals for connection to an external circuit. Inductor. Inductor is also called coil, choke, or reactor that stores electrical energy into magnetic field when electric current flows through it. It is typically consists of insulated wire wound into a coil around a core. Diode. Diode is a semiconductor device act as one-way switch for electric current. It allows current to flow in one direction but severely restricts current flowing in the opposite direction. Integrated circuit. Integrated circuit is a set of circuits on one small piece of semiconductor material that is normally silicon. I will end my presentation by quoting a quote said by Nikola Tesla. If you want to find the secret of universe, think in the term of energy, frequency and vibration. Thank you very much.